Are we live? All right. So, for everybody that's watching this after the actual live stream, I was mining on Unmineable now for the last couple days, or well, like 2 days with most of my farm. I'm gonna do a video on how to set up your Hive farm to mine to Unmineable. But currently, right now, their API is down, or their web user interface, their GUI. It's like she ain't working, but looking at my miner, it's still getting shares. It's still accepting shares. They're still mining to unmineable. Um, I was waiting. I have not got a payout in almost 8 hours from unmineable. My average payout time was between 6 to 8 hours. So I'm probably gonna let it go for another maybe 2 to 4 hours. I went ahead and look at that. It literally came up while I was talking about it. Um, yeah. So okay. Well, and look at that, payment in progress. Wow. Okay, I've been trying to load this thing for probably it's 12 right now since almost 9 this morning. So I don't know what was going on with Unmineable, but I guess it's back up and they're back working. So yeah, I knew I had a payment coming, and look at that, payment in progress. It loaded. Yeah, I know, it's old Murphy's Law. As soon as I go to make a video about something, it's like bam, it just starts working. Now I'm curious. Now that hold on, let me go ahead and mute this. Sorry about that. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a video of how to actually set up your Hive machines to mine to unmineable. Um, People were kind of like wondering how that works, but it's not bad. It's not hard. Um, yeah, unmineable came through. Oh, there's people in the live stream. What's up? It loaded. I was having the same problem this morning. Yeah, yeah, it just seemed to start working now. Which is the best one for CPU mining? Well, CPU mining is going to be mining Monero, so you can get paid out in anything on Unmineable. You just check what you want. What's up, Sammy? What's up, James? Halo, Car Geek, Crypto Mikkel, Sandon, Amder, Adamson. Ever use HiveOS and mine to a NiceHash pool? You can see your pay rate and everything. Yes, yeah, that's what I normally do. Was Hive to NiceHash. Fire Marshal Bill. Yes, I need to know the Hive OS. My ex-wife is unmine. I like that. All right, guys. Well, yeah, that this live stream kind of is no longer needed. So Unmineable is back up. I'll keep you guys updated. If they go back down for any extended period of time and I don't receive a payout when I should, I'll let you guys know. Because I wouldn't want you mining on something that potentially isn't going to be paying out. And likewise, if you guys run into any issues, please let me know, because I'm still very green with the unmineable service. I have not put any serious amount of hash rate on there until it's been. We're coming up on about 30, no, about 28 hours total. So we're yeah, we'll see how I do. 523 current mega hash. Tutorial on Unmineable is not a common mention. Do Windows 10 and Hive. Windows 10 and Hive. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Talk about Duino coin. I don't even know what that is, so I'd have to look it up. Jellyfish. What's the difference between the high intensity and low intensity and unmineable on the CPU miner? Low intensity, I've noticed you can still use your computer. You get a lot lower hash rate. It still says you're using 100% of your CPU, but you can actually do things. High intensity, it's using every bit of that CPU it can, and using your computer becomes very laggy. Doge chain is down as well. Really? Whoa. Doge chain is down. That's crazy. I have one of my wallets on there too. Is 23 mega hash okay for a beginner, and how can it be calculated into coins? A good way to calculate your mega hash is go on to here. pick your card. If you don't have your card, you can just type in 23 mega hash on ETH hash and then click calculate. You go down here, it'll show you the most profitable thing. That's Ethereum, and you'd be doing $2.34 a day for power, of course. Fast, how much did you mine, sir? These first 250 payouts are before I put my farm on there. So from here, or sorry, from here up, wait, from this 30 up to here is what I've mined. And I'm coming on at 12 o'clock tonight. I'll be at 24 hours. Safe Moon is the new best coin currently. I haven't even looked into that. SMT about people's account getting compromised and coins stolen. Ooh, that's Dogechain's issue. Are you mining with GPU or CPU on Unmineable? I'm mining with GPUs. I have my 3 Hive rigs on here, and a total of 523 mega hash. Let me show you on Hive what we're working with. I have this one right here. It's 6 1660 supers. Then I have this one right here. It is, I believe, 2 3070s and 1 3060 Ti. Yep. And then my last one is my my old Shanty machine. It's got a mix of a 1070 Ti that is absolutely overheating. Oh, I need to turn the fan up on this guy. Why is the fan at 0? Go ahead and crank that fan. Yeah, that 1660 Ti is getting a little warm. That 1070 Ti needs a repaste. That's one of my original cards from like way back in the day, and it's a blower card. It's yeah, it's just got problems. That one's gonna be mine forever. But I have all those mining to Unmineable, and they're all showing up right here. Hive 1, 2, and 3. All the mega hashes. Boom. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna cut this the live stream down. And is a VPN needed to mine on Hive OS? No, you don't need a VPN. At least not for people that live in the US. I live in the US and I don't have a VPN to get into Hive. Hello, Brandon. Can you walk us through the flight sheet really quick to be able to mine the Dogecoin? Yeah, I'll do it real quick. I'll do a full guide later on, but here, let me show you a flight sheet. So you set up ETH right here. Oh, like, let's go to edit. So you set the coin to ETH. Then don't even worry about the Doge wallet. You can set one. It's not a big deal. You're going to go to NB Miner, set up miner config, and then wallet and worker template. You do Doge, you'll semicolon, and then your Doge wallet dot, and then your rig name that you want to show up in Unmineable. And then the pool is ethhash.unmineable.com, semicolon 3333. And then that's it. That's all she wrote. Pool, you just configure that in Miner. You don't even have to put that there. And you just launch that flight sheet and you're golden. Quick walkthrough. Mine ETH, then buy Doge with it. Ash Ketchum. That's not a bad idea. This just seems simpler, and I wanted to give Unmineable a good old shake because I hadn't really done more than just like 1 or 2 CPUs on it. So, all right. Other than that, I need to get off here. I'm glad Unmineable is back working, so hopefully you guys, we don't run into any more issues, and I will see you on the next one. Adios. Don't be jelly, or keep it jelly, keep it smacked, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to do. Do you think 1559 will cause a complete collapse of GPU mining? Some YouTubers are predicting an apocalypse. I don't think there's going to be a full collapse of GPU mining, but will it spiral us back into a bear market where GPUs become cheap again? I don't know if that would be a bad thing. You know what I'm saying? So Unmineable is mining ETH just paid by Doge. Yes, that's correct. I realized there was no difference in terms of mega hash switching from low to high intensity. Oh, that's weird. On my computer, low to high intensity on my CPU makes a big difference. Someone want to buy Radeon 7 for 2300. Man, that's a lot of money for a Radeon 7. All right, guys, I really do have to go. All right, I gotta get to work later. Yeah, bye.